Welcome to JH. Today, I will demonstrate how to dispatch queued emails within Gmail. This comprehensive walkthrough will guide you through each stage, ensuring you can handle your pending messages effectively. Whether you are a professional ensuring timely replies or just organizing your personal inbox, these insights will be invaluable. First, let's clarify what a queued status implies. Occasionally, an email fails to send immediately due to a weak connection or busy Google servers. Instead of being delivered, it sits in a queue, waiting for the next available opportunity to be sent out. To manage these messages, start by heading to your Gmail inbox. Launch your preferred browser and sign into your account. Once you are on the main dashboard, verify that you are using the correct profile, particularly if you manage multiple addresses. Next, you need to locate the messages you attempted to send. On the left side of the interface, you will see a vertical sidebar. Find the sent category and click it. While this area usually displays completed deliveries, it also contains your queued items, those messages that haven't reached their recipients yet. Within the sent folder, look for the queued entries. Gmail typically highlights these with a specific label or status indicator, making them easy to spot. To proceed, click on the specific email to open it. This is where you take action. Once the message is open, look for a resend button or a similar prompt. Clicking this will trigger another delivery attempt. However, for the best results, ensure your internet connection is stable before you hit that button. If a poor connection caused the delay, fixing your Wi-Fi first is the smartest move. Gmail is quite intuitive, but the layout can sometimes feel cluttered. Always double-check that you are resending the correct message to avoid any errors. If you frequently encounter queued emails, it might be worth exploring your account settings to optimize your configuration. Finally, remember that patience is necessary. Even after you trigger a resend, it might take a few moments for the system to clear the queue and confirm delivery. Monitoring the status until you see a confirmation will give you peace of mind. That concludes our guide on managing queued Gmail messages. Efficient email management keeps your digital workspace organized and your communication smooth. If this tutorial helped you, please subscribe for more digital tips. Happy emailing!